Okay, we have a Raspberry Pi Zero 2. This is the basic starter kit. First thing, we have a USB or micro USB to full female USB right here. We have a flex connector right here. And what else do we have here? Then we have the HDMI that goes from mini to full HDMI. And then we have the logic board itself where we would connect all this stuff, including the ribbon cable, the USB, and we put the micro SD card right here. Okay, we'll check it in a second. Then we have the pin connector right here that goes on top. And then we have the power supply. Seems to be right here. I think this is one of those, is it a 5 volt? 5 volt, 2.5 amps with a switch off and on button or switch. It's a micro USB, which fits perfect for here. Then we have the heatsink itself for the top of the chip right here. Nice. Then we have the multi-use case for the Raspberry itself. Let me pull this. I want to see what's here now. Huh. Feels really nice, actually. Okay, because this is a basic starter kit. Just keep that in mind. And take this stuff out. Oh, nice. So we have even the screws inside. Oh, the screws already installed here. I'm not going to take it out yet, but as you see, we have the HDMI port, micro USB, power, which is a micro USB as well. And then here on the side, you could open and close this port with a little screwdriver that's inside to see the micro SD card. As you can see here, that's the holder, and we have the little 4 screws right here, and we have the rubber feet that can go on the bottom right here, and the screwdriver is a hex screwdriver. That's all you really need. Okay, well, this I didn't really need to open it that much, but it's okay. Then looks like we have a carrying case, which is cool enough. Quick start guide right here on how to use it. And that's all you get in the box. I mean, that's all you need actually in the box. And it's initiating. I don't know why the camera was blurred for a second, but it is what it is. And all I did just plug the HDMI that goes to the monitor. USB has one of these dongle keyboard and mouse. It's this keyboard and mouse in one. And the power plug. Just make sure the power plug is always on the side that says power. Even though they look both the same micro USB, don't switch these two. You're not going to be happy. And now we just have to wait for it to connect slowly. It will connect. Just give it a second. We'll do the startup and all the things that you need. I just did them on this laptop, with a Raspberry Pi imager. You just have to choose your Raspberry Pi version and all that. And that's it. We're done with the laptop part of things. So we'll just wait for it to fully start. And we are ready to use Raspberry Pi. We're going to have to launch it. Just give it a second. And now we're back in. So as you see, we have Wi-Fi, we have Bluetooth, we have everything that we need. We have sound. So what can you do with it? Well, anything you can do with a normal tiny Linux computer. Just that. Programming, you have a Genie Programmer's Editor, you have Tawny, you have Chromium, which we selected, VLC Media Player, Image Viewer, we have Archiver, Calculator. So these are just basic stuff. Raspberry Pi Diagnostic, Imager, if you want to re-image another Raspberry Pi, SD card copier, so you can make kind of a clone of what you already have, Terminal, Text Editor, and basically it's just normal Linux machine right now. There's nothing different than having a Linux or a light Linux installed on a laptop. Besides that, I mean, you can connect other devices, you can make things, you can do a lot, you can set it up as a network, you can set it up a lot. It's a Raspberry Pi. Don't forget you have a switch here, but do not hit this switch without hitting shutdown first. Then you can hit. And I'm gonna put it in the box because now we're good to go. And this little box is actually really cool. Simple but nice. If I can align it good. Yep, right there. And put the card cover. Yes, there's a little SD card cover with a little screw that you should definitely put on. You don't lose it. And that is pretty much it. That's it. Now your Raspberry Pi is ready to go. I really like the carrying bag that they included with it. Vilros, I like that.